Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Stock Pay. So now we'll discuss about what we can expect for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and some stocks tomorrow. We also go through a brief about today's markets. Yesterday we have discussed like somewhere around 23,000. It will have the resistance, and it will means if it is not able to sustain, we'll short it for it. The opening only tried to reach there, like it made an eye of 922,992, 22,992 versus our resistance of 23,000 and fallen back to the support of 22,800. So exactly it made a low of 22,801 and again it reversed back to the levels, again to 23,000 levels. So this way now it is our analysis worked quite well today. And for tomorrow, what we can see is again the same, like 22,800 will act as a very good support. And above that, we also have my small support at 22,840 levels. So 845 to 50 levels you can consider. So because it will be increasing by tomorrow as it is opens. So 22,850 is a one support and second is 800 support. On the upside, we have resistance at 22,967, means 970 we can consider. And above that, we have one more resistance at 23,025. And above that, we have a very good resistance, which is about 23,140 or 30 levels. So this 23,130 to 50 levels will act as a very good resistance for this week. And as long as it is trading below, we will use any rise to sell the Nifty. So as it is, tried many times, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's almost like 22,800. It held like almost 10 to 15 times. So now it becomes low as long as it is tried to do and it is not making a new high. So the support becomes weak. So now 22,800 or the 770 levels are becoming weak now. So we may see selling pressure. There are chances to break this level also in the coming days. So mark these levels for the day. So 22,850 and 800 are the supports, and 970 and 330 are the resistances. Above that, we have a very good resistance around 23,130 to 150 levels. So any levels it is not able to sustain, so we'll short it, and any levels it is holding, we'll buy it. So next we'll look into Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also it is traded in a very range bound. So for tomorrow we have very good support around 48,750. Below this we can see fall up to 48,450 levels. So upside we have very good resistance around 49,200. Above 49,200 we can expect up to 49,450 to 500 levels for the Bank Nifty. So upside 49,200 and 49,500 are the resistances, and downside 48,750 and 48,500 are the supports for the Bank Nifty for tomorrow. And next, if you look into TCS, so as expected, TCS also like fallen from the resistances. So 39 below, we are open for 3850, 3840, even 3820 also we have discussed. So it is continuing the downtrend. So for tomorrow, it will have very good support at 3,870. So 3870 below, it can fall up to 3830 to 10 levels. So at 3,800, I am expecting a very good support. I'm expecting it to hold and bounce to 4,000 or 4,100 levels from there. But till then, we can expect up to 3,800 for the TCS. Before changing the trend, so if the downtrend continues, so it can fall up to 3,800 levels in the coming days. So on upside, we have 3910 as a very good resistance now. So as long as this 3910 is not taken, so downside levels are open for TCS. If 3910 is broken, so the fresh buying will be invited, and which will help the stock to move up again. So now next look into the Infosys stocks. So Infosys is also having very good support at 1840 tomorrow. 1840 below, it can fall to 1825. So and resistance we have at 1865. So if 1865 is sustained, so we can expect some positive moment like fresh buying in this counter. So as of now, I didn't see fresh buying is possible in this stock. So below 1840, or if it's not sustaining 1865, we'll short it. for 1840 and 1825. And around 1800 levels, it will also have very good support. So as long as it is holding, we can see some good movement in the stock afterwards. Next, we look into SBI. So SBI, it is mirrored Bank Nifty movement to some extent. So for tomorrow, we have very good resistance at 726, and above this level, we can see up to 733 levels. So these two will act as a very good resistance. If 733 is not taken, we'll short it for 725 and 720 levels. And below 720, it will try to make a new low, means maybe 710 or even lower. We are expecting somewhere around 700 levels for SBI in this fall. So that could be possible. And for any reason, if it sustains above 733, the fresh buying will be invited and it will go up further. And next we look into ICICI. So ICICI is having very good support at 1238. So as long as this 1238 is held, we can expect a movement up to 1256. So this 1256 is not taken, we can fall back to 1238, and breaking of 1238 eventually bring down to means much lower levels. That could be around 1220 to 1210 levels. Even 1200 levels also possible in this counter. So these are the levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and some stocks. And mark the levels, spread the levels, and have a very happy trading day tomorrow.